Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, today I want to get rid of, you see all this dead wood? Makes the tree look terrible. I don't like dead wood. And I tried with that chainsaw, and even though it's a battery powered, it is still heavier. And trying to get it maneuvered into cutting the branches right nice and close to the trunk. So I went to Canadian Tire and I got this Woods, it folds up, but it's a double-sided blade. So each stroke, pull or push, is cutting. And you can see I've been working with it quite a bit today. And I just love it. This is an amazing tool. I'm going to keep it in my side-by-side. And yeah, see if I can do it with one hand. Now, so that's a completely dead one. Look at that. And I don't have to worry about kids running around and poking out an eye. I've seen some people cut them like out here. Oh, the poor children that lose their eyes over that. So I like to do it a little close. And yeah, really impressed about how good this girl works.